My name is Sharonda Garrett Mead. I am Asher Garrett Mead's mom. He was diagnosed with leukemia in 2014. He was 16 months old. Going into the hospital was scary for all of us, but the one thing that we loved the most that took the edge off of what was going on is being a part of CHAP. They helped us feel secure in a point in our lives where we were scared of what was going to happen next. They helped my older children escape the fears of what was going to happen with their younger brother. My daughter, Analea, who was 17 at the time, still has her first canvas that she made. If I was to ever have to do that again, which I pray that I never do, I'm thankful in knowing that CHAP is going to be there. And the only way to make sure of that is by getting donations from amazing people like you. CHAP, we thank you for all that you've done for us.